using light to increase value. Taste, appropriate technical solutions. Attention to the safety of the plant and saving energy. Technical knowledge and experience. Quality and accurate projects in full synchrony with the needs of designers and clients. In recent years, Effetto Luce has sustained the creative and productive work of designers throughout the world. With surveys, analyses, tests, and the creation of special products. Work in the most distant places, culturally and geographically, has also increased the experience and the technological and human resources of the company. To project light is to connect places and architecture with the most appropriate perceptions, increasing the value of spaces and constructing languages and evocations. Light over the years has become a code, a language in addition to architecture. Volumes and lines only exist, in fact, in relation to light that increases the value of perceptions and stabilizes their rhythms and structure. Thinking in terms of architecture means therefore defining appropriately the visual and perceptive plant through an in-depth lighting technology project. Great technical and applicative knowledge allows Effetto Luce to flank professionals, designers, installers and private and public bodies in defining interiors and exteriors of designed residence, conservation and operative places. Effetto Luce possesses a display structure of 1,500 square meters, dedicated to design research and project equipment, unique of its kind. The structure also has experimental laboratories available where research and simulations on the reaction of materials and the checking of equipment and plant are carried out. Special equipment and personalized solutions are continuously looked for, conceived and developed. Effetto Luce performs photorealistic simulations. In this way, the client has the possibility of seeing the project created and choose among several solutions. The aims of good design and good lighting technology calculation are the perceptive yield of the objects, the possibility of carrying out the activity accurately, and the symbolic value of the spaces and volumes. This particular attitude, in support of projects, is significantly synthesized, for example, in the new administrative offices of the Della Valle Group. Contemporaneity, practicality and style are the elements that mark the world of the Della Valle Group. These factors also emerge with force in the project for the new general administrative offices. In the night, the light exalts the very marked references to international rationalism. The interiors, also very rational, are softened by the original tones of the details and furnishings, contributed by Ron Arad, who has designed very particular but solid objects, destined to last over time. The designers have defined extensive spaces that in the play of perspectives tends to integrate the view with the strong presence of the surrounding nature. In this context, highly signaled by the light, The lighting technology project has had to search for the best integration to increase the value of the structure, but also define the operative specification needs, satisfied by an in-depth and elaborate lighting technology design. Setting up special products, the particular strong point of the service offered by Effetto Luce, has allowed integrating strong luminous sources with the language of the building in equilibrium and harmony. The lighting technology plant harmonizes the volumes. The light increases the value of the project, emphasizing the coherence between the nature of the spaces and the character of the activity. Light, between reason and emotion, offers the possibility of articulating the values of the individual and allows everyone to establish his own relationship with people and things. The nature of this relationship is highly conditioned by information. Attractiveness, closeness, protection, and safety are the emotional states that light can activate. Varying the angle of incidence, conditioning the colors, and removing the shadows means modulating and modeling the relationship. Effetto Luce has attained competence in the lighting technology design of places dedicated to culture, commerce, meetings, work and sport. Important museums, libraries, airports, commercial centers and numerous boutiques are among the public and commercial places illuminated in the most important capitals of the world for the best international fashion signatures. Effetto Luce. The project becomes partnership, territory of sensual, imaginative and operative encounter. Light, when it interacts with expressive languages and materials, becomes script, a basic service for architecture.